So here is the master guide to navigating Discord. If you were involved with the international conference, you might be a little bit familiar with Discord already. If you're not, that's okay. This is a good way to figure out how to get involved with national conference and be active as a participant in the conference. So, when you first get onto Discord, one of the things you're going to do is choose between using Discord on your browser or app if you're using Discord on your computer. If you have your phone and you want to use Discord on your phone, you're free to do that as well. And a lot of the navigation that you'll see in this tutorial is very similar to what you'll see on the phone app as well. But I am using the computer app, so that is what we will be looking at. So what you'll see on the computer app, this is what you'll see on the left-hand side of your Discord app when you use it on your computer. When you join Discord, you have your choice of joining several servers. For our national conference, you can't join our server unless you have access to the link. For Discord, there are many communities and you can just join them. But for a national conference, we've decided to shield and protect uh, our link to our server, just to prevent trolls from getting in and other people who have no business being a part of our conference. So to be a part of our Discord server, you will either get the link in, I believe, an email, or you'll be able to find the link on Eventzilla once you have joined the Eventzilla page for that. Discord is fairly similar to Eventzilla uh, in terms of joining pages or joining servers. So if you've used Eventzilla in the past, if you want to be a part of a conference, there are different conferences you can join and you have to click to join each one. It's the same thing for the Discord servers as well. If you want to be a part of a server, you have to join the server. You won't have access to all of them all at once. You have to get permission or somehow just join it. So over here, you can see on the example, we have several servers here. There's 3 of them. Think of these as forums or clubs. You can be a part of more than one when you're on Discord. If you right click on these individual servers, you can set notification settings and you can mute servers so you don't constantly hear messages all the time. We have our server set into categories. The main categories you'll see are a Cotisul reel-to-reel studio production. This category will house all of the text channels. So if you want to send messages or do chatting, these are the channels, these are the areas where you do that. So in those channels, you can send pictures, you can send, I believe, GIFs, and I think you can send files as well within those channels. You can explore these channels when you get onto the server. And the multiplex is our category that houses theaters. We don't really have theaters. These are just voice channels. But don't be fooled. Just because it says voice channel does not mean you only hear voice. For voice channels, you get video and you get sound. And it's almost like Discord's version of Zoom. The only difference is Discord does not have filters for the background. And wow, those filters make a difference. So there's no filters and there's no recording as well. So Zoom can make recordings, but Discord can't. And the purpose of the multiplex or these theaters is for when people run over time during the conference and people still want to talk to presenters, they can talk in person with their presenters still, but they'll do it in the multiplex in one of the theaters. So that way the Zoom host can host other speakers. At the top of your Discord app, you'll see this bar at the very top. So if you hit this arrow here, this is where you'll see some settings. You'll see this menu here. Here we have something that says mise en scene and socialize here. This is just the part of the channel that fits in with the metaphor that we have going on for the conference. Remember, this is called reel to reel. So we're talking about filmmaking and things like that. So Discord was put together, or the server for our Discord was put together to play with that theme as well. So here is the thematic name, and this is where, or this is what is actually happening in that channel. In each channel, whenever you click through the channels, these will change, and you can alter them or turn them on or turn them off, seeing as you, whatever you deem to be fit for your needs. So you can mute channels individually. If you don't want to do it individually, you can just mute the entire server, but you would do that on the server pictures and right-hand click it or right-click it. In different channels, you can see who's a part of that channel. People can choose to be parts of channels or not. And finally, over here at the end, we have the personal inbox. And this is where people can send you personal messages. In the lower left-hand corner of Discord, you'll have a status bar, and you can see here it's green, so this person is online. So these will change depending on what you want. You can choose it, and you can set a custom status. So when you're on Discord, you'll see people's names, and underneath their names, you can see something additional that people have put. Some people choose pronouns. Some people might put their nicknames. Maybe some people will put where they work. It's up to you. The gear in the left-hand corner will give you the settings for everything. This is the one ring that controls them all. Right here, every single thing you could ever want to mess with on Discord is here. In the center of your Discord app, this is where you're going to put your messages. If you're not sure which channel you're in, check the message bar or look at the top of your Discord screen. You can see which channel you're currently in, and you can see which channel you are sending your text messages to. These three dots right here will make a menu like this. So one of the things that we've added to our server is being active, and you can get points for being active as a participant in our server. So if you're active in the text channels, if you're active in the voice channels, you can earn points. So you'll get more points and you can level up. At the end of the conference, the winner is going to get a prize, or there will be prizes for the winners. If you want to see what levels you've earned, you can check what levels you have. It's significant levels, so you can see if you're level 1, if you've hit level 10, level 20, level 30. You can see significant levels under roles. If you want to just check in general where you are at when it comes to your level, if you type AR exclamation point M, you have to have a space and then the word stats, you can check your level in stats to see where you are in terms of levels. So here, this person is number 1. They're the number 1 participant. They have 380 experience points, and they're only at 63% to get to 100 for the next level. So there are several different channels for our server, and all of these channels have different purposes. I'm just going to go through these quickly. If you're really curious about what these channels are, you can look for them in um, the channel on how to use Discord. So rules will just give you rules and how to conduct yourselves on Discord. How to use Discord will have instructions and quick little videos that you can watch. The reel-to-reel FAQ will link to the FAQ list we have for the conference, and announcements will be linked to the live schedule, so you don't always have to hop in and out of the server and your browser. Mise en scene, that's where you're going to socialize. That's where everything random goes and everyone converses. Casting call, in search of, we're looking for people to collaborate and make projects together. And if people want to do that, they can do that there, or anything else people want to hunt for online or look for when it comes to members of the server, they can go here. Pre-production, brainstorming, and visions. This is where, again, people can collaborate and put their ideas together. Teaser trailers are session promos or promotions for presenters or other conferences and events. Bonus features, these are from presenters if they want to share things with the audience. And the help channel is where, of course, you ask for help. And if there's a need for other channels, you can put that in the help section and we'll look into making more channels. There are some basic commands that aren't obvious on Discord. Some people think Discord doesn't have formatting options. It does, but they're not obvious. So these commands here will help you. Some people think we can't make line breaks. You can make spaces on Discord. You just hit Shift and Enter. You can make new paragraphs, because if you hit Enter on Discord, it saves messages. It doesn't make spaces because it's not a word processor. If you want to quote people, you'll have to use special commands. So you'll need to use this accent mark, or you'll have to use this sign with a space specifically. And you can create spoilers if you're talking about TV shows or games and scores and things like that, and you don't want to ruin it for other people. You can hide your message until people want to look at it. So it's hidden until someone decides to click on it and see the spoiler. And those are commands. Again, these commands are going to be in how to use Discord channel for our server. We're actually going to go into the server. I'm going to put a link into the chat box. Please accept the invite and we can try Discord together. I've put the invite into the chat. This invite will take you to the welcome and rules page. And from there, you can look at the mise en scene. You can look at the area where you can ask for help. And just to try things out, I would like to see if you can go into the socialize area, mise en scene. And if you can give an introduction or say hi, that would be great. So we have people joining. If you go here into mise en scene, you can type hello, So to leave a message and to say hello or say hi, please enter mise en scene right here. So if you've come to the rules page, go ahead and go to the Cotiso Reel-to-Reel Studio section, go to mise en scene, and you should be able to say hello. Yay! I don't know who the 안녕, 나는 동그리 동동이야. Well, hello. Great. So we have some people that have figured out how to get into the socialization area. Wonderful. If you're curious as to what your points are at this moment in time, if you type in AR apostrophe M space stats. Good. Yes, exactly like what Kirsten has. So we can see that Kirsten is in second place. She has total experience points of 6. And to the next, she only has 3% right now. So she has 97% more to go to get to that next level. She can do it. Yes, mise en scene is French for things on the scene or things in their place. I don't know. I'm not a French person. Oh, somebody has found the multiplex. So this is where people can join. And there's video. Oh, there's lots of people coming up in the video. Hello. Okay. So, oh, everybody hopped in. So as you can see, the filter has disappeared. It's gone. And there's no ability to record here, except I am recording because I'm using Zoom still. But you can share your screen. You can talk to other people and chat here if you don't feel like texting or typing. And you do that with the share screen option here on Discord, and you choose. So it's similar to Zoom in where you can choose things. If you want to exit out of this, there is a disconnect section. So right above video and screen menu in the left-hand corner, you can hit disconnect and it will take you out of this room. Wow, what good students! Very nicely done. So that is how you use Discord, and that's how you get involved and earn points for national conference. Are there any questions? No? Okay. So thank you so much for coming to this short, quick workshop on Discord and how to get involved on the server for national conference. I appreciate your time, and I hope to all see you at the conference. Thank you. Goodbye.